If you climb through a dense and windy forest road in the middle of Berlin, this is what you'll see at the top. Abandoned buildings covered in graffiti and, just beyond, shredded domes. This is the remnant of a Cold War listening station used in the 1970s and 80s by the US and Britain. After it was declassified and decommissioned, citizens and artists took it over. This whole park is actually built on an artificial hill. Where did they get the stuff to make such a big hill? It's all the World War II debris. They basically piled it up in the middle of this park to create this tall landscape. Amazing. After World War II, this hill took 22 years to make. About 800 trucks a day came up here to dump the ruins of Berlin. In the late 1960s, the Americans finished building this listening post with multiple radar domes on top. From here, they eavesdropped on radio signals to keep tabs mainly on the Russians and Eastern Bloc nations. With the end of the Cold War and advances in satellite communications and improved technology, Teufelsberg here became essentially obsolete, and it was decommissioned in 1992. Most of the building was just left to ruin. Gradually, the people of Berlin took it back over and created public space here. Now the area is used as a park and an event space, and the old listening station is a tourist attraction. This is so unbelievably cool. They've basically taken this abandoned building and made it safe for people to be in and turned it into a giant street art gallery. You can also see what's left of the government works, the old shredding room where documents were destroyed, and you can climb way up to the top to explore the old radar domes. No handrails. Once you get to the top, it's an up-close view of what's left of the domes covering the radar equipment. So fascinating. And all around, expansive views of Berlin. This is an amazingly cool place, and if you're ever in Berlin, it is definitely worth a visit.